It is a dry start right now, but the cloud cover is still around. Satellite and radar showing some overnight light showers lifting off to the northeast. Since then, no ongoing precipitation, but thicker clouds to arrive here this morning. Don't think we have any sunshine today, although most of our day does look dry with just the cloudy skies. Visibility right now is high at 10 miles, but you get an idea of the clouds out there for the morning. We're at 47 degrees. It's a mild start this morning. Temperatures here for the morning comfortably above the average highs for today. And when you start at 47 or 48 degrees, it's not too difficult to make it to around 56 for a high this afternoon. A current wind out of the south at 7 miles an hour. So we have moisture and mild air coming in from the south to start our weekend. That's the first half of the weekend. The second half is the air mass behind a strong cold front that's diving into the plains, dropping temperatures below zero this morning. Wind chills some 15 to 20 degrees below zero. The transition to get us from 49 this morning to tomorrow's wind chills in the single digits. We have strong winds. We have some rain and some snow to talk about during the weekend forecast. I think today during the day it's mainly cloudy skies. Late afternoon, a couple of light showers. Our low pressure is building up from the southwest. We can see that temperature during the day ahead of it on the mild side. We end up around 56. A couple of afternoon showers and then late evening widespread rainfall with the low pressure overhead. That back axis of snow does look prominent to our west, but it'll be tapering when it arrives for us tomorrow morning. It gets a little bit more limited with moisture. So we start off Sunday morning with snow showers, some minor accumulations likely, and then we'll quiet down tomorrow afternoon as it lifts out quickly. The winds will stay strong. That temperature keeps falling. By tomorrow evening, temperatures in the low 20s, wind chills in the single digits. We'll be talking winds tomorrow gusting around 30 miles an hour for a good portion of the day. There are no wind advisories issued yet for Sunday, but I do think it's something to watch with some strong winds expected to get us from the mild air today to very cold temperatures late tomorrow. Here's our futurecast with the timing for today starting at 4:30 this afternoon with just the cloud cover and light showers. If you're tailgating, a couple of showers. During the game, the models have actually tended the rain a little bit later, so some scattered showers and downpours still possible, but I don't think it's a washout during the game. More widespread rainfall past midnight tonight. Some of that will be a little bit heavy. Then we transition to snow around 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. Some of the snow will be a little bit heavy. Notice some of the darker bands, and all of the models agree we do transition to snow on the back side of this. Could see some problems with visibility as well as a little bit of minor accumulations out of this tomorrow morning, and a brief window when travel could be a little bit difficult in spots, especially from Cincinnati north, where the temperatures will be a little bit colder. We quiet down by Sunday afternoon as those temperatures fall off. We're at 56 degrees for a high today, cloudy with the rain arriving by the evening. Rain to start our overnight, then we transition to snow tomorrow morning. Temperatures quickly fall through the night. We end up in the low 30s when the snow's falling early on Sunday. In terms of travel impacts, they'll be limited to tomorrow morning. A visibility concern with heavier bursts of snow, up to 1 inch possible, especially grassy surfaces, elevated surfaces. Should not accumulate readily on the roads because of air temperatures above freezing while it's falling and ground temperatures above freezing. But as we go through it for a couple of hours, we may get some deteriorating road conditions tomorrow morning. 23 degrees tomorrow afternoon, wind chills in the teens. Those strong west winds will pick up and that cold air will stick around. We quiet down Monday, some snow showers and light accumulation returning on Tuesday. We'll keep it quiet then for Wednesday and Thursday in our midweek.